Are you ready to unlock the secrets of Hamster Kombat's latest update? With a new mini-game and fresh skins, the community is buzzing. But what's really going on behind the scenes? On June 18th, Hamster Kombat dropped a cryptic post that has everyone talking. Let's dive into what profit per hour over coin balance could mean for your strategy. Stay tuned, because you won't want to miss this. With the introduction of a new mini-game and exciting skins by Hamster Kombat, there's been a lot of buzz in the community. On June 18th, they followed up with a surprising post on their official X account, repeating the phrase, profit per hour over coin balance, 3 times. You can see the post on your screen right now. This sparked a wave of questions in my DMs, with everyone asking for my thoughts. So, here I am, ready to share my personal insights. Not financial advice, just my own take. Interestingly, the post seems to contradict their previous messages. Earlier, Hamster Kombat made it clear that the airdrop distribution would depend on profit per hour, not on coin balance. In fact, in one of their Telegram posts, they even called the coin balance useless, and advised users to spend their coins instead of holding onto them. But now, there's a new twist. It's essential to understand that when they say A over B, it doesn't mean B has no value. It simply suggests that A is prioritized. So, let's dive into what this could mean for our strategy. In previous farming airdrops, I've noticed that decisions in these projects are never static. They're always evolving, reflecting the dynamic nature of the crypto and gaming markets. Typically, project developers set initial guidelines and expectations, but these are often adjusted as the project progresses and real-world data comes in. This flexibility allows projects to adapt to changing circumstances and capitalize on unforeseen opportunities or challenges. Take Hamster Kombat, for example. The project has surpassed expectations significantly, which has led to some strategic pivots. Originally, Hamster Kombat had an economic model that many community members were familiar with. This model outlined specific mechanics and metrics that were meant to guide the game's development and player engagement. However, as the game gained more traction and success than initially anticipated, the developers realized that the old model was no longer adequate to support the growing community and its needs. As a result, Hamster Kombat's team decided to scrap the previous economic model. This decision wasn't made lightly. It was a response to the project's extraordinary success, which required a more robust and scalable approach. The team recognized that the initial projections and structures couldn't keep up with the rapid growth and the influx of new players and resources. By discarding the outdated model, they could create a new framework better suited to handle the game's expanding ecosystem. This kind of flexibility is crucial in the fast-paced world of gaming and cryptocurrency projects. It shows that the developers are responsive and committed to maintaining a healthy and engaging environment for players. So, while changes can sometimes be unsettling, they often signify positive growth and adaptation, ensuring the project's long-term sustainability and success. So, what's the best strategy moving forward? Well, we need to be prepared for anything. The game is dynamic, and so should be our approach. Remember, the airdrop distribution might not happen all at once. It could be staggered over time, giving us small portions periodically rather than a lump sum. Here's my prediction. The first airdrop will likely be calculated based on your coin balance, providing an initial boost to players holding a significant amount of coins. However, subsequent airdrops might be determined by your profit per hour, which essentially represents your passive income in the game. Think of it like owning shares in a company. You earn returns even when you're not actively involved in the day-to-day activities. So, why is this important? After the initial airdrop, there's a possibility that the coin balance could be burned or devalued, shifting the focus entirely to profit per hour as the primary metric for future distributions. This shift means that players will need to strategically build a solid profit per hour to ensure a steady and potentially increasing stream of income over time. Essentially, the more you invest in activities that boost your profit per hour, the more you'll benefit from ongoing airdrops and rewards. Adding another layer to this strategy, the introduction of new skins in the game could significantly impact how players earn and engage with the Hamster Kombat ecosystem. These skins could potentially be NFTs, non-fungible tokens, which would not only allow players to customize their in-game experience but also provide additional earning opportunities. Just like traditional NFTs, these skins could be bought, sold, and traded on various marketplaces, potentially increasing in value based on rarity, demand, and the overall success of the game. Owning these NFT skins could provide players with unique perks or bonuses in the game, or even generate a passive income stream if they appreciate in value. This means that players who invest early in these NFT skins might see significant returns, not just from their in-game utility but also from their potential resale value on the open market. In essence, this new development means that players need to consider not only their coin balance and profit per hour but also the potential value and utility of NFT skins. By strategically investing in these assets, players can diversify their income streams within the game, ensuring they're well positioned for future updates and economic changes. This holistic approach to gameplay and investment could be the key to maximizing your earnings and staying ahead in the ever-evolving world of Hamster Kombat. Now, let me share my personal plan. Just a quick reminder, this is not financial advice, but simply my own approach to navigating the current landscape in Hamster Kombat. As you can see on my dashboard, I've been strategically focusing on building my profit per hour, which currently stands at over 1 million. This is a key metric because it represents the passive income I can earn over time, independent of active gameplay. However, my coin balance is currently around 50 million, which, while substantial, isn't quite where I want it to be. My goal is to replenish my coin balance back to 100 million. This figure is significant for a couple of reasons. Firstly, it's the amount required to reach level 9 in the game, which not only offers various in-game advantages but also potentially positions me better for upcoming airdrops and other rewards. By ensuring I have a solid coin balance, I can take advantage of any benefits tied directly to coin holdings. Once I hit the 100 million coin balance mark, my strategy shifts. Any additional coins earned or acquired will then be invested into boosting my profit per hour. This dual approach ensures that I'm not only prepared for immediate benefits tied to coin balances but also setting myself up for long-term passive income through a higher profit per hour rate. Moreover, building a strong profit per hour can be particularly advantageous if the game's economic model shifts focus towards this metric for future airdrops or rewards, as hinted at in recent communications from the developers. Essentially, by diversifying my investments between coin balance and profit per hour, I'm covering all bases and maximizing my potential for both immediate and future gains. Another aspect I'm considering is the potential introduction of NFT skins within the game. If these skins become a significant part of the ecosystem, they could provide additional value and opportunities. Therefore, part of my strategy also involves keeping an eye on these developments and possibly investing in NFT skins if they prove to offer significant benefits or resale value. In summary, my plan involves reaching a stable 100 million coin balance to secure my position at level 9, while simultaneously building up my profit per hour to ensure a continuous income stream. This balanced approach helps me prepare for various scenarios and potential shifts in the game's economic landscape, ensuring I'm well positioned to take advantage of any opportunities that arise. In conclusion, there's a lot of uncertainty right now, and we need to stay adaptable. The key takeaway is to balance your coin balance and profit per hour. It's all about being prepared for any scenario. Remember, Hamster Kombat might not announce when the airdrop will happen, so staying prepared is crucial. So, what's your plan? Do you agree with my strategy, or do you have a different approach? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's keep this discussion going and help each other out. After all, we're a community, and we're in this together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.